Live this life for me. I'm all about the enjoyment. You get it right? Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Rose Edits. This is another vlog for you guys. Right now, I'm in the wine shop. I want to get one or two wines or drinks, not really wine, drinks in particular. So we are on the road already as I'm speaking to you. It's actually a picnic with friends, so I'm going to vlog everything out for you guys. We're on the road, Lagos traffic. So we were in the traffic for some time, and luckily the road was free and the journey continues. So guys, we are heading to the beach. I stay on the mainland, some of you guys know already, but right now we are heading to Lekki. That's where the beach is located. It's just a kind of get together with friends. I think this will be my last outing in Lagos for a while, because I'll be traveling and I'll be in a new location for about 6 months or plus before I get back to Lagos again. So this is like a last outing for me. So we got to the beach and we're trying to pay the gate ticket to pass in. My friends are around. You can see me there already set to enter the boat, just the gate pass. So currently, guys, we are in the boat, me and all the girls and all the guys going to have fun, guys. So me and this batch of friends actually came late, and the boat we're supposed to use has already left, so we didn't want to wait for the boat to go and come back, so we decided to just charter this small boat around the jetty. Yeah, so right now we are heading to the beach. As you can see, I love water already. You know that my work is all about water, sea life. So after being home for about 3 months or so, having to have this sea ride again, it was fun, especially with friends, and I'm going to have fun. It's a fun day, right? So guys, we are heading to the beach. Already at the breakwater, very close to the beach right now. That red beacon there is breakwater. So you can see the beach from here already. We just arrived. Like, I'm going to have a great fun today, right? So we are at the beach now, out of the boat, already having fun already at the jetty. So this me and my girls trying to like take pictures,
do anything.
try to just freestyle. That's it. I told you I came here for fun, and the fun
Oh,
has
she tried
started
to
already,
do.
right? Don't mind me, I can be so playful sometimes. Just very close people that know what's meaning that way. So I'm trying to show you guys around the beach. It's actually very wide space here. The place is very cool. Like, this is 360-degree view of the view. You have the space, like space that you can go relax. You have the sand space that you can walk around and play, and the water is there. The weather was not really that sunny that day. It was just frustrating, both rain and sun. So we had to like get a space to relax. But guys, that's it. So first of all, we had to go change. I need to look sexy. There are gonna be a lot of pictures. Like, I'm gonna pepper people in this beach today. Don't mind me, guys. So we had to go change. This me and my girls. Now you have
Oh,
to
shake
shake
now.
the body. Shake what your mama gave to you. So we actually went to change while we've already secured a shield. So the guys are already here. The table is set. We have the drinks. We have chewable. In fact, anything that will make the day fun for, we have it on this table. So this is like our shade that we use, and all the things we needed was available, guys. And as you can have it, I have to go play with the sun, with the water. Guys, I really enjoyed myself. It's been a while. I've been out there feeling free, seeing nature, water, you know. So I was just out here having fun, playing with the water, the sun. My friends were taking pictures, playing also. So I joined the girls. The guys were playing football. It was really fun. It was really great. I don't know, like, I'm just trying to get the words to express how that day went. I really enjoyed myself and all that, guys. There was dancing competition. Girls were shaking over us, guys. This is on a very serious note. All of us were out here shaking ass. If you don't have ass, hide your face. So after that, I had to come and eat. I was actually hungry. Just had a bottle of palm wine and pepper turkey. Yeah, that we had. I had some granules. I had some chin chin. Yeah, I had that. And yeah, after eating, see, guys, after being slaying up and all that, after the small food I had, see, my stomach is portraying. But I still gonna show that body. I'm confident in my body. Leave my belly like that. I like it. Thank you. Well, guys, I was just here relaxing after eating my meal. And yeah, the real show started. We had some guys that came around say they can play guitar and sing for us, guys. This guy, he tried, sure, but it was just funny listening to him play. And we're just here. We had some games. We shared some jokes. We just had a lot of things going on here, and we're enjoying ourselves. Just like you can see here. See everybody. And here is the Jesus among us. This is how the party came to an end. We are going home like this, guys. So this is the boat we're supposed to use that left us, that we had to use the smaller boat. So we're using this boat to go home. I'm actually very tired. I was the one making this video while my friends are seated. I was so exhausted. I didn't even want you guys to see my face. But guys, I really enjoyed myself. It was a fun day, a memorable day. Like, we are back at the jetty, about going back to different houses. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Bye. See you in my